Finally it is here! No more shitty FIFA 15! Ladies and gentlemen, FIFA 16 is here! Oh God, this is a good day, and you know we're going straight into opening packs. Oh my God, it's what's that shape? Hexagon? Yeah, I was right. Yeah, hexagon! It's all hexagony. Oh, look at that! Jesus! Gold pack, premium gold pack. Oh my God! All right, let's do this. Oh, it's been so long. It's been so long, baby. All right, here we go. Opening some bad boy packs. Who do we get? Our first ever player is someone I don't fucking recognize. Who is that? No worries, we still have more points to use. And let's open another pack. Come on, hit me, yeah. Give me another fucking shitty player, you son of a bitch. Alright, I know I'm getting a rare. Come on, I want a rare. Give me a rare. Give me a rare this time. Give me a rare. Oh, for fuck's sake. Give me a rare fucking player. Come on. Surely. Oh, for fuck's sake. Who the fuck are you? Surely. I don't want an old man, for fuck's sake. Yo, I'm dying here. Like, what the hell? Oh, come on. Come on, please, surely. For fuck's sake. All right, Messi, come on. You know you want to give me a good player. Coleman, yeah. Fucking Coleman. Yeah, I'll take that. Huh? Oh. Costa. Yeah. Who are we gonna get today, guys? Costa again. Yeah. Thanks, EA. Stop the fucking. Oh, fucking hell, man. Fucking hell. Holy shit. No, I don't want you! Fuck off! Come on. Oh my God. Wait, I got Pogba? Go! Oh my fuck. I can't even get a rare gold player at this point. It's actually that bad. It's that bad. Yay. I got Mr. Injured Boy. You're always fucking injured. Like, you're literally glass. I'm surprised he hasn't broken his finger by playing FIFA. Give me a player over 80, for fuck's sake. Literally. I actually can't get a player over 80. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, fuck off, Henderson. Huh? Oh, you're just a fucking troll. Oh my God, yes. Yo, I can't be arsed. Oh my God, I got Pele. Lollipop, oh lollipop. Oh, fucking hell! Give me the gay! Give me the fucking gay! Not Valdez! Fuck's sake! I can't be asked. Mate, I've opened 20,000 points. And I haven't got an 83 rated player or above. How did Jack get Ronaldo twice? How is that even possible? And I'm here not even getting an 84 rated player. Why? What's up with this? Why is it that player up there? None of... Oh, I can't be asked this game, man. Later on that night, I can't believe it. These packs are... Ah! 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 Yes! Yes! Budget! Fucking hell! I'm gonna take it! You know what? Fuck it! I'm gonna take it! Fuck it! Yes! Fucking hell! Jesus, he has been the best player of so many! Fuck! This is what it's come down to! Fuck me! Fuck me in the ass! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Oh! Oh, fuck me! Now we're living it up! Now we're driving to space! What the fuck? Are we gonna do it? Are we gonna do it? Yeah!